Good evening everyone, my name is Justin Jose Thomas, registration number UR15CA031. Today in data structure I got the experiment about the merge sort in quick sort. So I did a program for that. For merging I am declaring an array up to 50, then merge and function in which int comma int 3 int argument which I am passing, then a function for merge sorting in which int low and int high value will be passed. Mid is I am giving for integer data type. If low is less than high, then how I can find the mid value. For finding mid equals to the lowest plus the highest divided by 2. Then here the functions merge sort low comma mid, it will sort the low and mid, and here merge sort, it will sort the mid plus 1 and the high value. Then it will merge the low, mid and high. Then void merge function, from here int low, int mid and int high, these are the three arguments which I am passing. Int h, I, j and k I am passing as the variable, and of array of 50 naming b. The starting value h should be equals to low and I is also equals to low, but the j should be equals to mid plus 1, the next to mid. So while h is less than equals to mid and j is less than equals to h, it will be in the middle, it will be in the array. So if a of h is less than equals to a of j, then the b of I will be equals to a of h and the h value will increment. If the condition is true, that's why. Else b of I should be equals to a of j, then the j value, the right hand side will increment and the I plus plus also. If h is greater than mid, then I am using a for loop, then k equals to j and k should be less than equals to high, and the k will be incremented. That's why the a of k will be stored in the b of I. The k value will be stored at the I. Then the I value will increment at the time. So else, if this condition is not true, then it comes to the else part. For k equals to h and k is less than equals to mid and k plus plus, then the a of k should be equals to the b of I and the I value will be incremented. Then for k equals to low and k should be less than high, that's the array. If it comes under the array, then the a of k should be equals to b of k. Then I am starting the main function from here. Here I am giving num and I of int data type. Then here this line will show you to the output screen saying that please enter the number of element you want to sort. So if user enter 543, it will store here in num. Then cout enter for the next line. Then cout enter the number which you want to enter, 1 2 3, suppose like that. For that I am using this for loop. I equals to 1, it should be less than equals to num and it should be incremented, and that value will be stored over here. So for merging this sort of 1 comma num, I am giving the sorted list is the after merging here, the elements which are being sorted will show you. Because of this for loop, it will come for I equals to 1, I should be less than equals to num I plus plus, and it will return the value 0 because I am using here int. So I will run and build the program to show. So here it is asking please enter the number of element you want to sort. So for an array I have made 5, then you can enter the element which you want to make as sort. So 3 9 1 0 4. These elements which I have given is not as sorted. So after sorting, it will be like this: 0, then 1, then 3, then 4 and 9. It will be sorted like that. So this is my merge sort. Then I will show you the quick sort. Same I am using include IOStream. Then in partition I am doing, I have given a name partition, a of array, then beginning and end of int, then P equals to beginning, pivot equals to A of beginning and LOC. Then A of P should be equals to A of LOC. The value of LOC will be at P, so the LOC will be empty. In that empty place, the P plus 1 will be stored, and the P plus 1 will be empty. There the pivot value will be stored at the P plus 1. So P equals to P plus 1, it will increment. Then you have to return the P. Then void quicksort is the function, then int A of array, then beginning and end. So if beginning is less than end, int P equals to partition A beginning comma end. Here the calling procedure is to find the pivot. Then quicksort, again two function of quicksort is overloaded, A comma beginning comma P minus 1 and A comma P plus 1 comma end. This is used to call itself, and it's also to call itself recursion. Then the main function is going to start. Here I have given an array A of 100 elements can be stored, I, N, beginning and end common. Then cout, it is a quicksort, it will show. Then enter the number of elements like 5, 4, 3, whichever you want to enter. Scene N. For sorting, I equals to 1, I should be less than N, I plus plus, it will increment. It will store that number. Beginning should be equals to 1 and N should be equals to N. Quicksort, A comma beginning comma N, it will sort according to the beginning, end and the first letter. So cout, after sorting the element, it will show you the answer, then return 0. Now should the answer. Enter the number of element. 5 suppose to have entered. So 1, 0, 4, 3 and 7 I have entered. So these are not as the sorted list. So after sorting, it will be like 0, 1, 3, 4, 7. It's being sorted. Yeah, that's it. Thank you.